What if I told you that the only thing standing between you and the life you want is the belief that you can't do it anymore, that somehow you lost your magic, that you are no longer good enough, strong enough, or worthy enough to try again? What if I told you that even after everything, even after the failures, the heartbreak, the disappointments, the bad days, the mistakes, and the silence, you can still believe in yourself again, and not just believe, but trust your steps, your dreams, your worth, and your power to rise? We all have moments when we stop believing in ourselves. Maybe you failed too many times, and now you're scared to try again. Maybe people laughed at your dreams, so you stopped dreaming. Maybe you gave your best, and it still wasn't enough. Maybe life hit you hard, and you lost your way. Or maybe you've just been stuck for so long that you don't even know who you are anymore. I know how that feels. I know what it's like to look in the mirror and not recognize the person staring back, to wake up and feel heavy, not from your body, but from your mind. To hear a little voice in your head that keeps saying, "You're not good enough." That voice is not you. That voice is fear. That voice is doubt. That voice is a lie. And you don't have to listen to it anymore, because somewhere inside you, deep under the pain and the fear, there is a voice of strength, a voice of hope, a voice of truth. And that voice says, you can try again. You can grow again. You can believe again. The most powerful thing you can do right now is not win, not succeed, not prove anyone wrong, but simply believe in yourself again. Because once you do, everything begins to change. So how do you start? How do you go from feeling broken to believing again? First, you start small. You don't need to fix your whole life in one day. Just take one step, one small promise to yourself. Maybe it's getting out of bed. Maybe it's going for a walk. Maybe it's saying something kind to yourself. Each small win builds trust, and trust builds belief. Second, stop comparing. Your journey is your own. Some people look like they have it all together, but you don't see their battles. You don't see their quiet pain. You don't see their doubts. So don't let someone else's success make you feel like you are behind. You are not behind. You are learning, you are growing, you are healing, and that matters. Third, remember your past victories. You've made it through things before. Times when you thought it was over. Times when you felt lost. And yet, here you are, still breathing, still standing, still trying. That means something. That means you are strong, even if you forgot. Fourth, change your self-talk. Your words shape your world. If you keep saying "I can't," your mind believes it. But if you start saying "I will," "I'm learning," "I'm enough," your mind starts to change. It's not magic, it's training. And you train your mind like you train your body, one rep at a time. Fifth, surround yourself with light. Read things that inspire you. Watch stories that lift you. Spend time with people who believe in you. And if no one does, be the one who believes in yourself. Speak life into your heart. Say out loud, "I believe in me," even if it feels strange. Say it every day, and soon it won't feel strange. It will feel true. Sixth, forgive yourself. Maybe you failed. Maybe you hurt someone. Maybe you gave up. But that was a moment, not your whole story. You are allowed to grow past your mistakes. You are allowed to try again. You are allowed to forgive yourself and move forward. You are not your past. You are your power to begin again. Seventh, take action. Belief grows when you do. Don't wait to feel confident. Start now, with shaky hands and a beating heart. Write that page. Make that call. Take that chance. Confidence is not what you feel before you begin. Confidence is what you get after you show up again and again. Eighth, focus on progress, not perfection. You don't have to get it all right. You just have to keep going. Even if it's messy, even if it's slow, even if it's hard. Growth is not always loud. Sometimes it's quiet. Sometimes it's just not giving up. Ninth, stay patient. Change takes time. Belief takes time. Don't rush the process. Don't hate the struggle. Trust that every step, even the hard ones, are building something better. You will look back and thank yourself for not quitting. 10th, remind yourself daily that you are worthy, you are enough. Not because of what you do, but because of who you are. You don't have to earn your worth. You just have to see it. You just have to believe it. One day, someone will ask how you did it, how you found your strength again. And you'll say, I stopped waiting for someone to save me. I believed in myself again. That is the truth. That is the key. You don't need permission. You don't need a sign. You just need to look in the mirror and say, I choose me. Say it again and again, until it becomes real, until your actions match your words, until you feel the fire again. The truth is, life is hard. People will doubt you. You will doubt yourself. But if you keep choosing to believe in your journey, even when it's dark, even when it's slow, even when no one claps, that belief will carry you to places you never imagined. So please, don't give up on yourself. Don't silence your dreams. Don't hide your light. You are more than your fears. You are more than your failures. You are full of potential. You are full of purpose. And you are still becoming everything you are meant to be. One powerful life lesson to take with you. Belief is not something you find. It's something you build. The moral: when you believe in yourself again, you unlock a life that is already waiting for you. If this touched your heart, if it reminded you of your strength, then please like this video, leave a comment that says, I believe again, and subscribe to How to Grow, because this is not just a channel, it's a journey, a space where your voice matters, where your heart belongs, and where we rise together, step by step, with belief, with hope, and with love.